shame your shame.
You say what?
I dey shame your shame.
Who they talk? Who they talk so?
If where that's the bar at Facebook. All we had to wear. Who got all is okay. Enough. It's okay.
Who they talk?
Don't fair do don't pass. Don't forget this woman. Don't just rest. Don't fair. I will take that piece of science.
Who they talk?
We are lads. Donc bien joué. Donc télé y a y joué. Il jouait pas doit vieille crocodile cry. Des voyants à vous vraiment. Des voyants à vous yoma. Mon nom bouillé ko. On s'est dit ton nom ben j'ai. Ah, I dey shame your shame.
Who they talk so?
What could make that this or not?
I don't understand. Who they talk? When I write to the talk.
I be ke no mo. Ave we omo ri be bien. Obe so, iya ki love shi yan se. E so ta bo me awe mama ni yan ni shi yan. Iya ka bo mo he ri yan. Be so ri be bien. Awe mama, la ki vi tena. A to ma ni ka bo we mo se. Be shi yan. Because I have time for them.
I'll drink like one
I
cup.
don't teach for them.
Who they talk?
I don't teach with them. Here and one on only here discuss. They call me, I discuss with them. I discuss with them. When they want to buy something, they need that money urgent. They here I don't know. Mama, can I have this money from you? Mama, please. You okay? Yeah.
Who they talk?
Ehi amujakia. Eli.
You understand? I'm gonna. Okay, my wife. Any talk? Do social media get problem? Oh, social media don't blood you. He go bloody. Oh. Social media go blood you. He don't bloody. He go blood you. Isoken. Soken what going on? Oji mapa. Wọ́n bá Germany social media first lady wife. Olokun of Shege Unamure Michael. Nothing wey Musa no go see forget. Wonder shall never end. My Zugabet. Mikey. You are Bola Wegbe. My Zugabet. Isoken Gwana. No yera ya build a page. Ona yera monetize the page. A page is monetize ne. Yera mi ya Gwana. Oji makba. Oh yeah, the woman na me gbe. Oh yeah, let's go there. If I can go. Fẹ́ so ka mi gbe o me nga mi gbe.
Ni agbo alopo we ri han. Anything ni ade. O pori ga o, mo ri go la de. We have transferred this money to your bank account. Ya ye card ya do. This way, internet ga mi look ade.
Who they talk?
What is your problem?
Soccer.
What is your problem, Becky? What?
Social media
We're lost enemy.
Social media social media.
Social media.
Social media.
What people say, what people say. You don't put in your brain. And then they will talk about barrier.
Soccer.
What's your problem?
Isoken na yeki.
Atene.
Isoken.
Ukawa make na ya ware. You go ya kere. Now you are coming out again to tell everybody that you are bringing all your other matter. You will bring everything out today from A to B.
Soccer.
You are going to say all.
Soccer what going on?
This guy share. You are going to say all. Your own mother. Don't where you go for 9 months. Let's say. We are not they listen to that boy. I know they listen to that boy and that lady.
I didn't Isoken no man dey okay. Isoken boy say Morocco. Isoken. Oh, we even see Morocco. Isoken even see Morocco. Isoken.
Epa, il y a une cassette où on a et pas pour bisous. Ou à mon epa, il a release une cassette. Et guana, when I be like guani, et tu en vois.
Are you guys hearing me?
De yamasu koku we sona.
Okay.
Yamanasu iratori, you people, et pour pas y aller à la dia. Et nous taillons ton bétoni.
Okay.
Pour bisous, il a release une cassette so.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
If I release it for visual,
okay. Okay. Isoken. No, that way, huh? Isoken. Okay. Okay. Okay.
When you send that, when you send that, yeah.
That's the lava. Last day. That's the Laonia. That's the day. Isoken. Isoken. Uho emi la numu yowa guan. Isoken. Emi la numu yowa. Uho wa guan. Borobira. Isoken. Dawe ho. Dawe ho.
Talk for this matter. They go bear this on the matter. Here I have your look on Facebook. Here I have your look on. Boy, the TikTok. But I see it. When you are bowing, I might go a more about it.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Take off.
I don't value anything in my life.
Okay.
I don't value anything.
God bless you. Okay. It's okay. Uwe. Oki mana legano. Oruan. It's okay. It's okay. Oki magba. It's okay. Egi awon soke. Ekwe no yo tan alu wo. Soke. You understand? Soke, who will give me a mia? It be like say this woman don't forget herself. Soke, you forget say your papa you debut page, you and your husband. You forget how many years you take in search of your papa on social media. It be like say you forget, make I remind you. Make I play on small. Saga kili saga. For your papa head though. Okay. 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 Can you imagine? You might understand. I don't. You guys are misunderstanding me. I don't understand who they talk. It's okay. Oh, what they talk? Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. 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 I better share this video. Go give me something. When I tag and join this video, Jama first lady on the name what Thierry on the everybody they talk, must you talk? Sucker, must you talk? Okay, now we have one yo.
Every big young man, yeah, young man, Saga, Sagado, Bebahani, Bobiswa, no me, Bobby, no, you're too lucky, man. Lucky to be where. Without no lucky, I am anywhere. Where Granua, what about our granny? Is summer. Shower, want to, we have to let go already, there, or gay, it has now, or how you work down, it up today, to know anywhere, or someone, or say, Unwoya, Unwoya, when one, retires, no dead, not an again.
Isoken, who they talk? For your own father. Isoken.
I respect nobody.
You hear?
Isoken,
listen to yourself. Hear yourself. Where?
Because of
Isoken. Aba now, kebi no, kilo share now, shefe jawere ni, Isoken. Soken uwira umaonera nuguya obiye. Eriera. Now, what's the difference between you and German First Lady? We're going to ask about the German First Lady. Tell me now the difference between you and your husband, your so-called global husband, and German First Lady with your wife, with your husband. I mean to say, Soken. Well, tell me, man, I don't know when now. I just play half part of it too. Imagine that we are mogun because we are born. You understand? We are mogun bera work born. The difference between you now with this little one, work be now. The rest one I keep on. With this little one, I just play down. Tell me now the difference between you and German First Lady. Tell me the difference between you, your Orioba husband, Eddie Monkey, and Kevin, Papa. Come on live video and explain the difference so that we will know say you are right in contribute to this matter. Soken, agboya matter na we right we agboya. Because Ozen we or worst be choice. Do we are gboya we u debare Kevin wa gbisiyan. Ogen we gboya nu we do ta we Kevin wa do agbe ye Kevin gui. My sister, Habano, all work one hour with Bogberana. El war Uruguena. El war Uruguay video of Gumena. El were Uruguay video of Gumena. Or you know what they get. Let me drag it. Let me on my back camera and show you yourself. Again, we are over here. Away, you bio. Can you see yourself?
There's no even having more than you are living your life.
Yes.
My wife was there, don't believe me. My children, they are not only you. What sent and that they sent from their grandfather.
Every single mirror.
In every way.
You did not want to.
You did testa. What was it now? Who did not come down here? Who are we talking? You don't know. Can I walk away at here, Betty? When I own you went back and down again. No one look back when I say,
That's it.
why are they just say? Can you get one wow? What I say? Because on a parliament, they will have everybody Oh, you think about we in just as when it's okay. And that's not going on mask. Because they were party. But you want to have one.
Wonder shall never end. Wonder shall never end. Not see when Musa no go see for this social media. Oh, hey, wallahi salam alaikum. Hey, yeah, de. Tina laugh ya di ko yo hey, when we hear sister.
Baby, you are bringing your mother sister, or you are bringing somebody in your family. And what we had to turn on, and don't move where you go. Or who are to kata. It doesn't come for.
Oh, I let him off below here on our one Rovera. Isoken. Oh, I let him move fee. Oh, I love you on our Rovera. Oh, I have to know. Oh, wife, Guana. Hey, God. I'm not just imagine. I'm not just imagine what you go see the talk. Over you man with the guan. So okay. When I don't know ya has guy summer festival that for him. When we were of Vienna, of Bokum. So she was a you are. Oh, you're a yak man.
It's not cover.
Eh?
Back here.
She left the
Oh, yeah.
What has somebody here? It's too cover.
I'm not that Gabia. Who was it to me? Who was you?
Papa home was too cover. Okay, the movie provoking there.
Only never total. Oh, we have multimedia Facebook. Can't go okay, not Pirua.
He? That was what the movie for Pirua. One of them on Facebook. Who got the movie for Bokina Lavagbe? It's okay. Go the movie. You are all out. It's okay. Go the movie. You are both of Bokina Lavagbe. When where you know what you know big get you are soon. Oh, go back with the movie. Oh, go back with okay. So when era mo gilgil. Era mo ji. Una you know no ni roko ekira. Una you know ni film no bigira is okay baba wala we go again. Baba wala we go ta. To assume. It's okay so when you know this one. When I want get ku. Una rabanaya. Una English. Una ya tota the live video with her. Oh your back conglomerate we. When I film no bigira wa. So when you do me again now no be the first. Mango striker, a the first one way. So we had to have this striker and all my way, but who soccer, oh, your back on no merits. Oh, your bow, your bonging, oh, your back with those level better. Oh, your back family. Zip your mouth. Zip your mouth. Oh, your back, all your relation. Zip your mouth. Oh, your back, Dennis, the house. Dennis no with no the house, no with the house, no family. Nah, baby, last
4 years, last 5 years.
Oh, your bad blood.
Talking to it.
Oh, your back conglomerates. Please vote Ogionba family. Vote Ogionba family for governor. 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 The family where they pursue for Benin, when I vote them for governor. Ogionba vote for the governor. Then it's the house of Ogionba family. Blasphemy. I don't want to blaspheme me. You only have blasphemy, English the logo, English the logo.
Because we're about to have favor.
Ogionba family. Vote Ogionba family.
So, So therefore, here one group here ya fefefeyo. Our be jevenio. Our be jevenio ri. Oh, e ya ba fu agura ni ba wa je na. Our really here ya bo. Like one get that bring that case to a bar last year, or even last year December.
Oh, your bar family, you are welcome.
My order for when I drive all the way from Yoshi, about 7 hours now to me. He didn't say anything semester, and he didn't get not to me. When you are here, the webo, he didn't be not here, oh, when they here, there are a man no more time, don't care that I had one. All of that is in media, Isoken, any more there, Isoken, I don't know where to be. If we're moving. Oh, no, here. Do you go to Moses? When they cannot, because of that, no, no, una la jaremitia, una ya dina owe. But this one, when they cook one, good. When they cook one, yeah. Una la jaremitia, una ya dina one where it's again, only one thing, not enough money of way. If I saw a bona. All of that is media.
Salut, boy.
So you go to Moses when they cannot because of that, no,
yes, my people, I greet you all with better style water right there. Oh God. It's so unfortunate to say, man, some of our people who abroad, the lack of wisdom. They really lack of wisdom. E.g. Isoken, the wife of the enemy of Benin Kingdom, Mr. Don Edwin. You see, if for this media of this issue of German First Lady and the mother-in-law come on media, last person that will spoke about this issue now is Isoken and the husband. Because there are cases for this media which all of us know as weakness and it's worst. German First Lady, mother-in-law is not a chief in Benin Kingdom. It's not a chief title holder in Benin Kingdom. It's just an ordinary woman. Just like ordinary woman. You understand? Do you know the worstest person so far on this media? Now this is Isoken where they talk so. And the Orionba husband. What now use Orionba maybe say the enemy of Benin Kingdom. The enemy of our palace. Which is Mr. Edwin Daosa. The brother to Dennis Idaosa. We want contest for governor. We say their family is an enemy of the Benin Kingdom. Tell me how an enemy of the Benin Kingdom want to rule Benin Kingdom. You understand? Nothing will nothing happen. No. More the watch and see. Let's see how it goes. How an enemy of the Benin land wants to become a governor in Benin land. You know, feel me? Okay. Nothing will money no fit buy. We sit down, put our hand and look. Sit down, look at dog name. My people, this is Isoken, so one of the two way they talk so. In fact, on a permanent chief for palace. The Ayobahon of Benin Kingdom. That is, I would say, the former father. Not the, it's not the father now. She has been the son. I'm not the daughter for years. Before the disowning of the daughter of Isoken by Chief Ayobahon of Benin Kingdom, she was a doctor for the chief. He sat down on social media, laying curse on his own father, alongside with her husband. Not one, not two, not three, not four. In this same social media, we see that I have all the videos here with different uniforms, different day, different year. Where Eddie Murphy come out categorically and be laying curse on his in-law. The same thing with his own wife. Now, is it not surprising to see that issue of German First Lady is on social media alongside with the mother-in-law having dispute? Isoken is coming out categorically to criticize the mother-in-law and the German First Lady and the husband of raising insult on their mother. She forgot so soon how she sat down with her husband, raising insult on the chief in Benin Kingdom, the chief of our kingdom, one of the chief from the palace. Without looking back. And today, he want to play smart. He want to form better person or there. We no longer worry. Ekitogbe. Isoken ekitogbe. Uowa. Man, you are that's why. Your own father that is well respected in Ogbe. Unamura buto fiete. In the full world. If you don't know what you did, 20 years, 30 years to come, the video is still on here. People will still go there and play your video. It's an history that you have made already. A dirty history. How you saw your father and you were the son or the daughter by your father years back. When that video was done, I was still in Benin. I was in Ogbe. When chief said, I'm a beer, so or tell me where beer, whatever what the police in here. I was still in Ogbe. Today I'm not in Italy playing that same video for you. Reminding you of that same video I was done years back. When you started insulting your father, I see the Benin. But today, I thought they say abroad with you. I see Conda say Germany where you did so. You know how many times your husband invite me for your birthday and for your birthday? You see, say I can't know. This last birthday where you do so, your husband me I can't do MC for them. How are they to do know what I did? Sarah Ogukun. Oba not your memory. Manamu man of the I don't mind drink. I want you.
Ola te wele pa bola te. E para we. Ola we ji. Ola uru pop e ji e wa bien ni yoji. Ola we. Oh Dieu. Iye ya piye iove.
E deko no yoba. E deko no sungu ne Europa. Iwe te deko nya sungu ne Europa. E deko no yoba. O yoba to sungu. Mi wan si a o yoba wan kote rule those states. E deko ma la governor. O ti yon police mu je wan wa. On no ni filu get Murphy. Eddie Murphy a police mu ra je wa. E deko la governor. Assassin Eddie Murphy a gbe ro yon wa. Now my people, this same man Eddie Murphy Ogyoba, he get brother for House of Rep. Since when brother become a member of House of Rep, they could give you brother special police. He give him a private police. He give him a private lawyer. Where is they terrorize people, parents for Benin? If you dare social media, you throw mass to Eddie Murphy. You go call him private lawyer. You go write petition against you. You go take him private police. They will go straight to your mother for your father's house in Benin. They'll get them arrested. Video them. Put it on social media. Now, all through the power of what? Deco. Because they were there for House of Rep. So now imagine said they could become governor for Edo State. All the Edos, the aspirants, they are finished. Eddie Murphy go use police arrest all of their family finish. Put all of them for prison. Imagine, person call Eddie Murphy party, Eddie Murphy colonize that person to the extent of suing person when dash has make it take do orphanage home to court. Through the power of what? Eddie Murphy, private police, and Eddie Murphy lawyer. Who never enter Benin since where they come abroad. When a person will never get documents. Eddie Murphy write petition against them, said the person go Nigeria, go rob for orphanage home. Because of the private lawyer and the private police. Donated by Dennis Idahosa, who is the junior brother of Eddie Murphy, who is contesting for governor now in Edo State, come 2024. My people, I greet you now. Una de abroad, de Benin there. Una don't know who be who. What will bole le Denisi? What Denisi yai? Ye ti blame wa ye do. Can wa me say e wa pass. Can wa me do e ba day e wa have ji. Wani bu way. But have it in mind. Dennis Idahosa is a foster in Canada. Before he ran down to Benin and start politics. Dennis Idahosa, Gino, made Dennis Idahosa go Canada. Since he become a politician, he don't use the two legs enter Canada. Almighty Lao. None of them whether the tifo. All the candidates whether the break command. But the devil you know is better than the agents you don't know. Like Dennis Idahosa, that demon. How they pretend. Oh, your bad family. Their history is not go area. In mama and wish for say, they can't mama wish for say. Dennis Idahosa mother is a wizard, a witch and wizard. For say that year. Alongside with Eddie Murphy. In Akia will say, they use their sweat grant for Olomuza, Chief Olomuza Palace. That year, Fauci. Fauci. Second swearing again, they use Eddie Murphy sweat grant, sweat grave for Palace. They use a sweat grave for Palace. He drink one bag of meat for Palace. So that kind of family, una want to become a governor for Edo State. A family that is dwelling in costs. Family where they don't lay costs on from time to time. Family where we say that they lash their own brother's wife. That they switch. Eddie Murphy lash a worker wife. Eddie Murphy now a worker audio lash Eddie Murphy wife. Eddie Murphy lash audio wife. Audio lash in wife, mama. Imagine that kind of family. Imagine the kind of family who now want to become governor for Edo State. They could not shine on our eye for this 2024 election. And my advice for Benin people, because me not they go Benin and go vote. Now una go vote. Now una go vote. Oh, if una go vote wrongly, anybody will go ask me for give will go kill him. If una go vote, na say Benin hard. Vote wisely. Not share your votes because of say na your chairman, na your community day, and they do evil. The cause they follow generation they come. If you carry enter that seat, everywhere goes scatter. Everywhere goes scatter. The plan, whether they plan, it not go work in Jesus' name. Our ancestors not go let them work. The plan where Dennis Idahosa and the family they plan for Edo State, it will never work in Jesus' name. The evil plan they have against Edo State will never stand, it will never come to pass. You understand now? All right, my people, if you don't know the trick where the Murphy they use, me, Papa with this man, I too know that idiot. I know I go reach the boss as well they waste. He don't see let they come. He pin down. Do you know say the moment they forward the video they come for me? He add me to another number. They forward video they come for me. He pin down in the form. He they pretend say no they do saga again. And the moment they pretend say you know they do saga. If they pretend say no they do saga again. But that's the moment you done. I didn't done. I didn't done. Make election come. Make your brother lose. Bam. Make a demon brother lose this election. May they see saga. May they see saga kill saga. Saga kill saga. You let me see. You shout too much, you go faint because we don't know. The cost of our palace, they follow you. The cost of our palace, they follow you up and down. That's the reason why you don't go feel me calm. For this saga, I go beat your hands down. You know me. I'm be your enemy. Now me, Baba, with this man, I be your enemy. I be your nightmare for this social media. You know what the movie. Deco go nowhere. Meta rich. Now me go do your blog. I go do Deco blogging. Or the atrocity of Deco, I go blog on social media. Nothing they happen. Let me talk now. How you take confess say you sleep with your own brother wife? I go block him with Deco picture. How they tell you curse on you on palace? I go block him with Deco picture. Make a dope they forget themselves. I go remember a dope land of the atrocity of your family. You go nowhere. You never vote Deco. You people are enemy of Benin Kingdom. No never know anything. If you don't know the plan between Deco and his brother. If Deco good, his brother good, at the moment you don't go drink water or palace. They don't go use an Lagos. They don't go sing music for long. Oh, you back to us. Oh, that same family you are bringing to the seats, to the government seat in those states. It be like say, Obaseki go better pass. If you not put them, Obaseki Guruji, it go better pass. It go be like as many people they remember the Grenadier today. When the Grenadier sit, they call on Lucky Stone. Lucky Stone. Today, people they remember Lucky. Now so Obaseki can reach if they enter. That's it. I don't talk my own. Now, precious Agbihune. Precious Ohogi. Precious Lede. Larima. Egunefoha. Poppy. Poppy, my poppy. Let me poppy, my poppy. Sister Poppy, my poppy. Share get for that wife. Side chick. Ero wala side chick. Lare. You know, say you always like to the support your share more. You know what I'm saying? Girl. Precious man, there is no way they will saga you for this life. They will not go measure the share father so he don't sleep with you. Yes. There is no way they will saga you for this social media. Nakanas with the wala yo. Nakanas with you pedaki yo. Nakanas with the breath of Bekwayo. Understand? Precious man, there is no way that you have saga where that can measure Lord of Central, Tramadol Lord. You understand? You feel so? There is no way I have saga on social media now. Precious man, yeah, boombe. How the time maneuver you? Go no way. Go hustle. Go do a shower. How the time maneuver you go Denmark. Precious Meg Agbihun. You understand? How you tell leave the boy where give you belly for Italy? When you go bash out for no way. When you carry belly come, the boy should not be get belly. You take born the black picking when you get there with you. How you take base enter or you life? Or you better last you say what that a big say people to why? Or you give you belly finish, he dump you. Or you they pay you child benefit for Germany, they give you house. Precious man, how you take you just scatter your own friend. You scatter your own friend marriage, which is Pemi Osula, the daughter of Chief Arala Osula of Benin Kingdom. The marriage between Pemi and young Bayode, Junior Bayode, who is the father of the child of Pemi Osula. The father of Pemi Osula's son. Young buyer day. The marriage was supposed to be a massive marriage. You precious man, you destroy that marriage. You destroy that marriage. Tell me where God goes. Where God will punish you. Tell me how you go to see your husband. When you derive joy in doing evil secretly, you think say nobody go see you. Well, or degemi yadmayahu. O salobo no rekete or degemi yanimau. God, that's what I felt to say. Agbo agi kpakpa. Eni na agi koe. Eni na agi koe. E koe agbo eni bigi. Agbo agi kpakpa. O salobo egi koe wanagbo. Your face might be beautiful, but your heart is demonic, is devil. Precious man, you don't ask yourself question. You carry breasts, you carry yash, you carry this one. No husband for your life. You are a working class barman. You know they work down, they get the money. You know they chop money on Facebook, but no husband for your life. Those that believe on Facebook money, they are married legally and traditionally, happily married with wife and children, husband for us. You that is a working class woman in abroad for years, for decades of years, up till today, no husband for us. You are proud to be a second, like, now person husband, they carry good and fine. A man is bound to marry 3 to 5 wives as far as he can take responsibility of it. There is no problem about that. But do your bragging, your braggados on this cyberspace, and you're supposed to be an angel to a man. Don't be third hand. Don't be third hand. Precious man. So your papa, they don't stand for queue for when they do give away. What a war. What an upside-down arrangement. Ah, me, Babago, this man. I be Lord. I be Shema. I go stand up myself. Make I salute myself. Hey, God. Make I twirl for myself now. Waiting the young. Make I respect myself. I too much. I too correct. Precious man, you will come do a show for abroad for years. Your father still stay for platform. They beg for money. What an error. What an upside-down arrangement. After all the Ofiogo, after all the Sesegwanti in Bologna, Boleka, oh, after all the Sheshe grandfather you mingle yourself with, still your father is still begging for alms. What a shame. When you will have the assembly, at your mind, when man said goat or women goats, precious men, you go the road show that with me. You will say, that little immigrant. That little undocumented immigrant. Yes, I am an undocumented immigrant. Yes, I accept to be an undocumented immigrant with swag. Undocumented fine immigrant. I'm some immigrant with a level. Immigrant when they take care of your family. Immigrant when they take care of your dad. Fine boy, like boy. Immigrant when they open, where you they open to for. Undocumented immigrant when they show because for video call. Now this my little pickup. You be one shop, Abby? I'll go only look the wider. A big circle. I go do like I don't see him. I go do like I don't see you. I know they see you. You get bekus where the shop. Don't be community bekus. Your bekus is a community bekus. Toto when you take also for Bologna. Toto when you take also for Denmark. When you take also for Norway. If for Germany, you expect me when come Europe yesterday to come sit on the throne of Sheshe Grandfather's bekus. Am I mad? If I was even about that, where is one? We my own now. We not back on it. We not back green. We not back back. Oh God, precious man. Precious Maggie. Mercy. Lord have mercy upon mercy. Say merciful God. Say merciful God. A word will be word hustler. Precious man is a word hustler. Meaning they name the country. Go to Spain. Precious man go Spain. Precious man, he got Spain. Lord of Tremador, the Lord of Central, Moscow, the Lord of Central, received precious men for Spain. Lost precious men for hotel. Sleep hotel with precious men till daybreak. Put them for precious men because woto. My people want to listen. You guys will sit down. Precious men, viens quoi? On sakamouria. Viens quoi? Precious men go Nigeria, go stay for everyone house. Everyone go the bang bekus. Precious men is everyone side chick. Precious men now, Lord of Central, which is Moscow. Now Eruwala boy. Moscow is Eruwala boy. It's a boy to Eruwala. When Lord Precious men there in Nigeria, Eruwala they there with Precious men. Moscow they there with Precious men. You feel so? As boy, as chairman, side chick show so. Now Precious men go Spain. In Eruwala boy, still go large Precious men, which is Moscow. Very Precious men, you can't say. When I woro se, they can't say. They woro se. Brato Bekwa, MC Papilo. You understand? Hey, they be all there. All these things we are talking to. MC Papilo know. They be Eruwala boy. MC Papilo, Lord of Central, they be Eruwala boy. You don't feel me so? I'm going to cure the small. I'm going to bring the ideas to come on small. You see the Moscow way this side. On maybe this month just end. Me I ring Moscow bed next month. Moscow bed. Now me go ring Moscow. Where is a mwebo? Unless a body or body mammy body picture. Yeah, is a saga body. A bogey mure. Now me talking. You understand? Unless mammy body we active. Imam if you show a video. I go beat the boy. I will warlord your both family come on this media. Go to generation. Yaka. Now, Moscow, you are winning. You are like no, you are cool. Let's go there. Saganari, then Precious men, shift closer. I tell you, if I get your time, I'm going to flog you. Precious men, if I get your time, I'm going to flog you. Now you get this. Nothing won't end. One year, you are bored. Upon all this, Shege's father has slept with you all these years. Precious men, your capacity to stay for skill, they buy fuel. Chaise, kai, nah, this guy is going to be crazy. Upon all, you hustle rich for Germany. I'm a working class. I'm a nurse where they wash the day yash. You say you be nurse. You laugh. You will wash all those children for school. All those special child. When they take care of special child for school for Deutschland. So you be nose. I look here and laugh. I just look here and laugh. These are the camp style for Mugu. We know the Germany. You will not know how to read the rights. To read comments. It go take you how many hours to read comments. And you be nose for Deutschland. I look here and laugh. I say, you know, sister, no nurse. Nurse, man, nurse, hello. Wow. Precious men. So, your pack carry full leg, carry with your mom and your sleeveless. They go be Monica, they beg Monica for money. They go they beg for hookah. I be music get well about there. Hey, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh, you think they irritate me? You not tell me say your father is a beggar. You not tell me say your father is a beggar. I foresee God give us nothing now. Your partner, my partner, and everybody, papa. You know tell me I love father. I dey respect fathers. I dey bless father. As small truth like this, I say when I go give up one bag of rice. When I give one 50 km house, make it buy beer, man. Me, you know they go all those hook up and get all those rigid to go this type of queue. They waste time for you go reach my hands, you go reach my hand. Precious mega. Oh, we make a real day, you are dead to you there. Precious man, you wait to our dead to you there. Anybody that move that me go with enogi, Obama so dear. To bogile dear, man, to Obama so dear. Well, Mama Roman no give you. A bonica no last like go to the end. What end there? Monica, my sister. Monica, my sister. Iyeki 1 billion. Iyeki 1 billion. I'm full member of Iyeki. I'm full supporter of Iyeki. Wait till end down today. Asha won't we move. What end the egg be a gano? Ashi wele. We negate. Your pekus good. You don't see more people put your ass. Ugly guests are getting married on daily basis. I mean the day you walk there. Precious young girl, the day that girl. You know, see, man. We move with bekus that carry grace that no list of disgrace. Bekus we get favor. Bekus we get authority. Bekus we get shame. Now man go strong. No be your jealous bekus. Bekus we fight who don't make it for life. Bekus we they use money they pamper man. Dirty bekus. Bekus we know the shame. Bekus we be zaga. Water, because when they dark water, they throw it to no be say they squirt. Being a woman squirting is quite different from water because this one you never they squirt, you only pour water. You piece from body because your verb don't cut, your azimas don't cut, your achisco don't cut. All of my eyes see, I want to say this one, no road here. Everywhere they red, everywhere be like red carpets. Toto will be like red carpets. Now you think say you get bekus. Precious Megan. I'm a girl woman. Where we don't ban nya tomatoes. Red carpet and match egg. How you make how do you feel when you go to the bekus? Oh, but you well at them. They always question her. How was this bekus? How do you feel? What's your uptake about this bekus? What's your experience in this bekus? Man, it was not easy, man, you know. It was a really massive one, you know. We go to the bekus, you know, we try our best by the grace of God. That's why we couldn't finish everything because the bekus was too wide and there was a lot of erosions inside the bekus. So we couldn't play the match very well due to the erosions in the bekus. We try our best when we try to see how we can rent some tapila to pack the erosions. You know, some of the gutters inside the bekus of Precious Meg was too massive, you know. Anyhow, we'll see whether the bekus will be well next time, you know. But what we see here today, it was not really okay with us. Our team tried to work on the bekus, but it's not yet satisfied. So there's nothing we can do. We'll try our best for good 90 minutes. Try to work on the bekus, but we didn't get it. Now wait every man. If your bekus sweet, therefore marry you. A boy, in Moscow. Everyone laughed Ember. When they send Moscow message that year. Ember when they send Moscow message that year. Now they give Francis Odige. Here no Mose. Now they will not dash no Mose that year. All the motor I give Moscow Tramadol Lord. Central Lord. Oh, do my drink. France Central Lord. Yeah, you don't say, oh, yeah, you way. That's why I even deny the charge. The charge is not yet accepted. The charge was not still accepted. Penazara Precious Meg is a malary. Pama near Europe, Panos Alicia, that because was too rough. We are if your Precious Meg for no Nigeria of your by Precious Meg. Pamare. Anyone will carry. I'm going to tell you. If you carry 2 Precious Meg, sister, when they bongo, pack and join Precious Meg, give Shema, say, Pa, I ever do your Sagado. Some of them say, I know you gonna, oh, I know big work. Normally, you know the story. You know everything. A partner go marry. A partner waiting they want now. You know, say upon all this, not any you will like God. You will like boy. You will like boy. You woman. Where you will like or see when. Uno I will cure that for him. Uno I will cure that for him. Oh, damn. Oh, no, you are wearing. Ga go no. O ma ti dollar woji. U ma set dollar woji when I will kill chairman. O wo chairman, your gomoda. Why is a working chairman? O my by why are he go father? Ni pe ko pata ye. O pata ye o ni ya go father. Muhere ya kama we daddy. Oh I daddy we ba bola we. Muwe gumo ma muhere ya kama ni mu ye daddy we. Ba ka daddy. Who daddy do here? Anybody when you say get money on your wife go father, on your wife my brother, my father. Amen. All why we na amen. Amen my brother. Amen my brother. Amen. All why amen Nigeria. Up to Nigeria. Amen. Amen. Ayeke. Amen. For hotel. Amen. You want go hotel. Precious Ekia. Babola go war. Why we are gassing? At your and we must have goats. We're a dirty bitch. A big when you cool. Or what there anybody will don't make money. Either you become a brother or you become in godfather. Amen. 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 No be like you. Amen. Amen. Because that one doesn't fuck you down. When amen there America is there, you don't know how. Now when it does resort to this useless this Anini Foundation, College Buddha. College Buddha Foundation come make you know amen. Automatically be to your brother. Amen. Ayeke. Ayeke. Amen. Salah bo salah yeke ne. Amen. Adegi kidekegbi. Normal osiagbon. Normal osiagbon. Normal osiagbon. Egun kineme. Normal osiagbon. Normal osiagbon. Egun kineme. Anybody will get money. Na him sister, na him brother, na him lady, na him godfather. Amen. Na. Don't chop you. My guy don't draw sharp money. Only don't go. You need big now. I could chill. That guy. I could chill. Godfather, agbo. You usually godfather. Ni wemu. Gele mwen. When we basha wo sele we bona, o ma ti your dollar wa. O ma seti mi odomu la wa. You abo se we ade kan ni hustle do. Ni gbigbe aganu gbigbe agade marry woman for us. So use their money marry them. He dey with them for her to do. What do I amen? You know, you go collect. You collect from Godfather, go bed, Godfather, go bed, Godfather, go bed, Godfather, go bed, Godfather, Salayo, Godfather, Zeyo, Godfather, Kalayo, Godfather, Kalayo, oh, daddy, oh, daddy, oh, daddy, Daddy, I know. Daddy with his back. I know. I'm a lawyer. Daddy with a polo. Daddy with fire down. Daddy, you don't retire. Daddy. Oh, daddy. You go to call on daddy. Daddy gonna say, baby, come on, baby. Oh yeah, come on, baby. Baby, give it to me, baby. Oh yeah, baby, give it to me. Baby, give it to me, baby. Out your devil! Out your devil! Where we not go play? Where we not go put on? Where we not provoke us? We not play on you. Where we not go put on? Everywhere go Saman Kwa. This 2024, he go bloody. Oh, one of the other tapu say he go bloody. 2024, he go bloody. Don't play. You gonna learn the hard way. This time, you learn. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? Oh, collect wutu. Sagana bloody be. I start to just enjoy myself since then. Una say make I dey come ask me. Yeah, so what do you so? Anything make people don't do my house, I don't turn mugu. I dey beat anybody beat you, but don't care. I don't see you. I don't see anybody. I don't see anybody. Ah? Make I cut this with me and come back again. Me and go bath. Me and come back again from one wutu. Hey, your boy, you're going bazia. Shey, wait till they stop. Wait till they young. Wait till they young. Do my drink. I want young. Precious man, you say there's no audio? Precious man, you say there's no audio? Should I play your audio? Should I play your audio? Precious Megan? Precious Megan? All the things where they do so, where you do, where they talk sis. I did that when they do them. No. I did that when they do them. No. Get out my say. All the record they record you. I have it. Precious Megan, they plenty you. Yeah, you rest. No one mention many people because no, you will know the people where they talk. You go know the people where they talk. Ego bloody, oh. Precious Megan. Amalawa part 1 and 2. You know, you will not know person. You see the person don't fair, man. Can you just imagine the life with your life and say, you get mad mortuary. You say, man, up by. It's all over. And you don't know. See, mad mortuary. Some people can lie. One doesn't say the second person, they already bring fake lie, they come on. Now, so they tell me, say, what's it they call her? What's it they call that woman? German face lady. Now, so they talking about German face lady. Grigo. I say, waiting. It's this so. Now, so they Bologna. Now, so you carry Belay come Bologna. Many lie. Don't style. Just as the person, this lie, with they use brain. All these things now audio. I know they talk what you not get proof. All this is where the talks is then audio. If I upload it for you, you will lash. All this is now audio. They for 4 years. Go play a boy. Just when you are Zua, it will be no more. Babu. If I can now work, I was I diamond and puta. Rubbish. Nonsense and ingredients. Obi understand me now? I say what? Nonsense and ingredients. All in that for all the prayers make. The next person we are coming out for this evening, all they do balama, they don't know who are. No re bejo. No matter the bejo. I know. Suzekia. Susie. Your attention is needed. I'm back for you. Let's get started of this saga between me and you. Susie. Are the adulterous woman in Belgium. Susie nekwemu. Wodo ashawo nekwemu la dema musungu. Susie. So we boku we for the next marriage. We kebo imuna. A black where you concord. Oh. Mon ba. Dowa malawa. Having a boy here. Who does he? Suzuki na wakatiti. Erika una vivi ya gbati titi magu eri unu ibo isa lo boa wena wa isa yudazi ya ke sweme suzi me mere suzi wa ga nyebo o wa we ke black nyebo Where the where it came black on where? What's the man? I beg a boost where at what I take your half away. What's the man? I beg a boss to what I take bien, Susie. When I wake up to do well, can get the day. Una badwati, ima make you beu, ima make you beu. Oh, beu no, who does it? Ima wake you beu na mo yellow like be yo, we saw. Susie. Who do you know where I can do here? You get black boyfriend. You get black boyfriend. Suzuki. Oh. So, when a black boyfriend, una have a white husband, una have a black boyfriend, and you are bold and categorically bold enough to come out for media and tell us that you have black boyfriend. When you woman, we are advising women to stay calm with one man. Oh, Jesus. Well, none of them believe all this presenter. They are hypocrites. They be useless people. So, Suzuki. Where are people? A black in where we go. No, I can't away. Any put a yaoya. Any put no be here nowhere. Any put a big wine. Who bow down salakata? Susie. Agazi mama. So when you're gazi, people snack with fisiwa. Susie. I saw her. So I can't remember boy we boo. All your yes na brought. Umami a bebo yak bebo. There we boo. O Tony you ever see a Susie. Umati you don't do why you ball. Suzuki. Emia uja. Other form go work bar of Spain. Over do what is Spain. Suzuki. Una your bonus you bone boss you talk. Spain. A stroking bag gone on let's say. Ya keep with a bejo. Suzuki. Oji makba. Oh, second road. Atiti why no more hope yero. Suzuki ma we yeke black you. Oh, we yeke dark you. Ni la ni guye ya titi na tira ye rabo nyon ekunri. Na titi rabo yin ekunri. Ye yeke black yawu ebuye o semon kan o we tie. O seven kan o ti borin. Edo Suzuki bo mari se woken o wetu mwe bo are we marriage oda pay bride price o se woken mari se woken mai so wo he o ga te fo ma so bo we yin ati yawo who does it Frank la ito mi o na ri to mi o be Suzuki o social media o so kan gbola also okay part 1 or 2. Also okay part 1 or 2. Hey, voila. Social media go too bloody. The pique call. What they call it? Man, way silent. Way silent. Hello. Hey, you speaker, my sister. I can walk me that way. Error. Okay. Voilà. You. Will. Ça, all Suzuki na wa se dans le port du Suzuki a settled down. Look what you do analyze you. It's your stupid atrocity. For we play. Man, tell the father this year. If famous to lawad be one after the other. Please share me out, guys. Let's go there. Share me out.
will suffer. Suffer from where we be today. Our suffer and the suffer we will suffer. May our children not suffer. They take up my children's soul. They carry that they go to school. They carry that they come back. But my mother not there since I there with them. May not for go spoil something. May not go for. May not go do everything. Protecting them. Playing my role as a father to my children. Then they'll come marry tomorrow. One man will come to say. For my daughter, President, would insult me. Do you know what that woman is passing through? Do you know the pains in her heart?
Hypocrisy is the disease. A very simple girl. That's really. I don't get away. Eddie Murphy. Honor your wine. And you was your godfather. Eddie Murphy was insulting Chief Ayoba Obinikino. And he was your godfather. You did not say anything about it. Isoken sat down on social media insulting the father. These are the people that was feeding you. You did not say anything about it. Enogi, just use this for cash out. For those that have brain, they know who you are, Enogi. They know where you stand on this issue of German First Lady and mother-in-law. Everybody know where you stand. Enogi, you don't know and you don't get sense. You don't get what you want to talk for this matter. We want to. Oh, I want to yak me way. We are one we yak me way. But look, you don't see my face. No beauty camera. No beauty camera. I know the red, I not black or nose. My mouth not the green. Enogi, yak back home. No give me a brush. A mama yavu ogunu. Ogi we are. No give you a so unu. When we are real life video, we brush. Just imagine presenter. Imagine presenter. Come on, we saga not clean it.
He said that they beat him papa, they beat him mama. He called him, ask, say what happened. That picking and your picking. Like you. Waiting your semi-man wife not go fit do to him mama. You stand for public. 1008 was watching you. You call your mama, they are clapping for you, say that they see bad mother. You see all these women when they say that they see evil mother-in-law, it will get to your turn one day for you to become a mother-in-law. We go know if you feel arrange your pitching, if you don't get problem with your wife. We go know. It be working on us. The reason why people lost me is not because of me, but what comes out of my mouth. I am a joy giver to many.
Alpha. So why does this yesterday? Since how many months now? I did my kaba. You want to congratulate me? You want to congratulate me? I mean, you did my remote. Me, I go put up.